I'm totally thrilled with the way it's turning out. Very excited. We continue to have the support of our community, and that's wonderful. I was just at my temporary office at City Hall. Someone came to the desk and said, "When are you going to open?" We said a week and a half, and she was just so excited for us, and that's the feeling we're getting from everyone in the community. We've been working very hard to make it happen, and I think with good results. I think our community will be pleased with what they see here.
But I don't think there's one thing that we have done that we don't like. Having the new computers is going to be wonderful. Elizabeth wanted soft seating, which we've never had, and we somehow managed to do that. We tried to stay very much within our budget. We were only given so much by the bond, and we have tried very, very hard to stick with it to make the community proud of how we spent their money.
Something we're so excited about is having a larger children's area. If you recall our old library, the children's area, which is a very heavily used part of the library, was kind of in a corner by some doors, and now we've got, as we campaigned for the bond, we said we want to do more for our kids, and that's what we're doing. We have a hugely improved children's and teen areas.